Okay, so I'm gonna start with a very basic thing. I'll not go to each and every tool here because if you are a beginner, that's gonna make you confused. So let me start with a simple beat, okay? So right now, if you have just opened this program, you're gonna see this thing, and if you click here, you'll see this thing. Okay, now if you have just clicked here and did something wrong, then you can go here and file and new. Okay, and then you're gonna see this thing here. Okay, new, and you're gonna go here. Now you're gonna see this thing. This thing appeared. I'm gonna talk about this later, so close it. Okay, now you see this thing and it says kick, clap, hat, snare. So if you are a drummer, then you already know about these things, kick, clap, hat, snare, all these things. So if you don't know these, this is just what you're gonna play on your drum beat. Okay, so what it sounds like, let's see. You see here this one, play button and stop button. So in this video I'm just gonna use these things. Okay, so let's click here and then here. So you can see here, like there are kind of 4 beats here. Okay, if you already know about time signature, it's kind of 4x4. Okay, so just click here. I clicked the left button, okay, of my mouse, and it's already on pattern. This is pattern and this is song. Okay, so if it's not on pattern, just click here and play. It's but by default it's already on pattern, so just click play. Okay, so you can hear that sound. Now let's go to clap. We're gonna put clap here and here. Now play again. Okay, so it just misplaced this one. If you right click here, you're gonna delete this thing. Okay, you deleted this thing by right clicking your mouse and left click here. I was supposed to put it here, but I mistakenly put here. So now I just put here and now play. Yeah, this sounds good. Okay, that sounds good. So let's try this hat. Click here and then click here. Okay, play. That sounds already great. Now I'm gonna put hat here too, so it sounds like this. I'm gonna I'm gonna put the hat here too. Okay. Okay. So let's put snare. Oh, where should I put snare? Let's try here. Okay. It looks good, but still we can try somewhere else. Let's see here. Okay, pick here. Okay, let's try. Okay, now that sounds good to me. Okay, so you just made a beat here. Okay, so that's how you create a beat here. Okay, it's a very simple one. And what you have to do is click here. So before clicking here, you notice this thing, this sign, the mouse, the pointer of the mouse. It looks like something like a brush. So if you by default it's already selected, but it's not selected, you go to this thing and click here. Okay, and then click here. So if you're using for the first time, it shows like this, and you can click here, pattern 1, and click here and drag your mouse. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, instead of pattern, you're gonna choose song. So now when you click this play button, check out what happens. Okay, so that's how the playlist works. Okay, so you made a beat and you put that beat in this playlist. So that's how it works. So I think for the beginners, this one is enough, So in next video, I'm gonna talk more about other tools. So till then, you just practice this thing. This is interesting, and you're gonna like it. And once you fully understand this thing, then you can go to next tools and next features of FL Studio. So till then, goodbye.